What's good, people? So today we're on a special customization because we're doing a new shoe never done before. We're doing an Air Max 90. Ooh, fancy. Yeah, well, on top of that, we're doing it the Tiffany colorway. So, boom, Tiffany colorway, Air Max 90. Should be good. We'll see how it goes. As per usual, not much more to say. I mean, let's get her done. I'm finally finished the shoes. This was a little bit of an easier task compared to what some of the ones I've done, but Tiffany style. This was a quick one, I know, but leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.